Hello, this video covers graphing vertical and horizontal lines. So for question number 27, we see y equals -4. Anytime you see it say y equals -4, or y equals something without an x at all in the equation, you know it's going to be a horizontal line. So you're going to find where y equals -4. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. And then you're going to draw a horizontal line, and that will be your graph. Here we have x equals 5. When you have x equals something without y at all in there, it's going to be a vertical line. So you're going to find where x equals 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then draw a vertical line. For question 29, y equals 6. Find where y equals 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then draw a horizontal line. Again, this is where y is always equal to 6 at. Right. Oh, ignore that. X equals -3. Well, x equals -3 right here. We draw a vertical line.